This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. Just a minute. So, okay, the blocking rules we are discussing. Actually, in the system, it is called commissions, but it is, to be frankly, in my opinion, it is blocking rules. Let me close all these things and let me discuss. The first step is in the workspaces, feature management. Go to feature management. Okay, here, if you go to all, so credit management, you need to enable. That is first step. If you enable, then in the create and collections tab, you will find setup, credit management, blocking rules. Okay, let me take duplicate. Yesterday it was initiated, I explained, but not completed. Let me go back now. Credit management. Here, credit on holds. Yesterday we did one sales order. Automatically it was blocked. Okay, if you verify the blocking reasons, one is days overdue, one is credit limit expired. So here, this is days credit limit expired. Days credit limit expired means credit limit expired date means if you go to the customers, credit and collections, customers, we have taken the customer like, or which customer, this one, US001, US001, or US001. The first complexity is here in this credit and collections. Expiration date is, credit limit expiration date is 2019. So whenever you are creating a sales order, it is blocking the rule credit limit expired. From where it is in the blocking rules, credit limit expired, the date is expired. The date is expired. Next, days overdue. Days overdue means here for this customer, in some of the transactions, it was pending from 2017. Then it will stop. So blocking. Next, account status. This is extra status given by Microsoft. Earlier, in the customer account, this is available by default earlier. Here, no means don't stop. proceed for the all the transactions. Invoice means stop all invoices. Stop all invoices. Here payment means stop payment. Payment means stop payment. Next, requisition means it is sales quotations will be stopped. So all means you need to map, you need to stop all. This is already exist in the earlier transactions. I mean to say earlier, before this blocking rule functionality, it was available. Now extra, because this is system defined enums, but now Microsoft has given one more account status. It was given, you can create your own statuses. You can create your own status. Okay, you can map your own status, and this statuses, if you want to block, we have option to block that rules. Blocking or allowing, both options are available. Exclusion or blocking. Okay, block. Next, terms of payment. If you want to stop some terms of payment, you can map it. This is your wish, how you want. Some specific terms of payment I want to block, then you can map it. Next, this we understood. Overdue amount. So anyhow it is specific percentage. This is overdue amount blocking. And sales order. Here, suppose even though credit limit is available, if it is $5 lakhs, even though credit limit is available for one specific customer, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, but in one specific invoice, if it is 5 lakhs, stop. Irrespective of anything, stop. If it is 5 lakhs, more than 5 lakhs sales order. And here, like this one also, exclusion for specific customers, it was given like exclusion. This specific customer, 20,000 exclusion. This is 15,000. This is 10,000. And now all customers exclusion, it is 1,000. Means if it is less than 1,000, irrespective of problems, you can allow. This is exclusion completely. So release the sales order and credit limit used. Okay, so the major important, it is days also, or do days, any specific transaction, if it is stop, if it is more than these days, it will stop. Okay, you can block this one. And if it is date, specific customer date. Okay, and then amount. So here the sales orders we can use, and specific blocking rule we can map it for specific statuses if you want to block or terms of it. All these things, if you want to use it, otherwise if you don't want terms of payment, you can delete. Don't map any blocking rule. Whatever the blocking rules you want, that you can map it. Whatever the blocking rules, if you don't want, you can skip it. Both options are available, blocking and exclusion. Now fine, we have mapped, then it is black. The sales order is black. Now what is the solution? What is the solution? So we can release. So sales representative has given justification to sales manager, like I will collect money, something, or customer has discussed with the sales managers and they want. So the reasons you can write here, and you can allow to proceed for this customer. Okay, now the major challenge is so for all customers, just give me a minute. Credit limit expiration date from updating for all customers is 2019. Now one by one, if I want to open and if I want to modify the date is complex. Modification of the, suppose 1000 customers are there. I want to change the expiration date for 1000 customers one by one is a very complex. So for that we have one workaround solution. Look at this one. Right click, duplicate. If you want to update expiration date, customer expiration date bulk, because this is regularly we need. So we have option credit limit adjustments. Create new. Okay. Now click on lines. Here generate existing customers. Okay. So expiration date, I want to do adjustment up to, suppose as of now it is 2019 is there. Suppose 2020, example I'm telling you, I would like to show number of times, December 31st. I want to update the expiration date for all customers 2020, May 31st, 2020. Click OK. So it was updated, it was coming. Click on save and post. Now, if you verify, if you refresh, the dates are updated up to 31st May 2020. So let me show you how it is. In this credit limit adjustments, click on new credit limit, go to lines, generate from customers, existing customers. Now I want to update to all customers by 2022 by 31st May 2022. Or
we want to select a particular customer group, means here we can able to select group.
Yeah, I will tell you. Okay, so one specific expiration date. Definitely I will come to that point. Now it is June 1st for all customers. Now save. See, the post button is disabled. If you click on save, then post button will be enabled. Okay, now if you verify the customers, refresh, it was updated to this one. Okay, now the credit limit amount also I want to increase. So now once again the same new credit limit lines group, I will come to point. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Now not only this date, I want to increase adjustment for, suppose $20 extra. I want to increase. So click OK. Now look at this one. If you want, you can modify here also. No problem. It is updated. Earlier it is 5 lakhs. Now it is 5 lakhs 20. Earlier it is 5 lakhs. It is 5 lakhs 20. It is 4 lakhs. It is 4. It was became 4 lakhs 20. 2 lakhs 2 lakhs 50. 2 lakhs 50,000. Now it is 2 lakhs 50,000 $20. Like this it is. Now once again you can save. And if you want to modify, if you want to delete, you can do it whatever you want. Remove. Okay, now post. So now if you go to the customers, if you verify the customers, each and every customer will have $20 increased. If you verify, was increased to refresh, was increased to $20. Okay, now coming to the groups. Here I'm clicking on new credit limit lines. Now from existing customer credit limit group. 1 second. Customer credit groups. This customer credit groups is not customer group. Customer credit group is one more functionality. So there is one more group. What is this actually? So let me show you. The customers, customer credit groups. This is the same customer. Suppose example I will tell you. In India, I will take one example. One customer is available. Just give me a second. I'm taking one example like one city. Now, so here, this is Tamil Nadu, this is Bangalore, and this is Andhra Pradesh, okay, Telangana like this. Now, I want one city, like take the example Tirupati. Okay, customer is in Tirupati. Customer, suppose Raja Enterprises. This customer is in Tirupati. Now, I have a company in Hyderabad. I have a company in Bangalore. I have a company in Chennai. 3 companies. I have 3 companies. Then I need to create a customer in Hyderabad. Am I right? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Agree with me? So in this customer, it is customer US101. The customer name. Otherwise, I will take 1001. Is the customer code. In Bangalore company also have created, because this customer is purchasing from Hyderabad here, or he is purchasing from, whenever it is required, he is purchasing from Chennai, and he is purchasing from Bangalore. Okay, now in Bangalore also I have created a customer. This customer is 1008, and Chennai custom, in Chennai also, from Chennai also he is purchasing like 1050. Is this a different customer or a single customer?
Single customer.
Single customer only, am I right?
Yes.
But he is purchasing from different. So in our company, USMF, it is US001. In USRT, it is 3001, and USP2, it is US0. Understood? Got it? Is this the same customer or different customers?
Same customer and different, tied up with different entities.
Different. So for this all customers individually, for this customer, I can give, suppose independently, 2 lakhs, and this company has given 50,000 or 1 lakh, and this overall, this customer has given like 1.5 lakhs. But overall, this customer, in all these 3 companies, I want to give 2.5 lakhs. So now, if the customer has this, in this one, 1.2 lakhs only used, 1.2 lakhs only used balance 1.2 lakhs. Little bit tricky, not complex, but let us understand. Here it was used 80,000, and here it is used 50,000. Now, if customer is trying for overall 2.5 lakhs, it is reached. Now it is 1.2 lakhs, it is used. Remaining 80,000 is there actually in this company, but system will not allow you. Understood? Overall, it is 2.5 lakhs.
Yeah, Satya, that means the overall credit limit will be set considering all the company codes, correct?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So now many people will ask, like, here the credit limit is there. 2 lakhs is the credit limit. I have used only 1.2 lakhs. I want to sell the material for remaining 80,000 for this customer, but not possible. It will verify and condition, but not our condition. But not our condition. It is and condition. Okay. So that is the reason many people will ask, will think like it is not. If it is reached either one, it will stop you. If it is reached, it will stop you. So many people think like, if it is, I'm using this group credit limit, I need to get benefit. Rather than benefit, I'm losing the business. There is no alternative. Okay, so this is customer group credit limit. Customer group credit limit. One is customer credit limit, another one is customer group credit limit. Now, one of our colleague is asking like, is it possible to upgrade to customer group wise adjustments? Is it possible by group wise? So that is not exist. But if you want, you can filter. Yes. So directly it is not that one. If you want, you can select customer group here. Then it is possible. This is different. This is different. Now I want to upgrade to 2nd June. Click OK. For those customers, whatever it is under group 10, those it will show you. This is only few. Okay. Now save and post. Now if you verify the customers, refresh. Then for customers with 10 will be updated to this. Clear? Understood? Any questions here in this?
What is the definition of customer group code?
Sorry?
Like table, what is the meaning of customer code? Like
Customer?
table and code.
Where you are referring?
Uh,
Which screen you are referring? So that I can go there. In this one?
no, sir. Actually, if you click on the lines and while we were posting that I saw that customer code.
Lines. Now, are you talking about here or
Yes,
inside?
like
Where?
table and group and all. There were 3 customer codes.
Yeah, there are so many places. So now where are you speaking? Because the table group all will be everywhere, it will be there. Now if you tell me exactly that, I will go there.
So, Satya, morning, Narayan here. So, it is
Yeah.
there in the blocking control. Can you just go to the blocking control? So, same
Okay,
question
fine.
I was
Yeah.
also having.
Okay, fine. Now, okay. So everywhere it will be there, blocking rules. Not only this one, everywhere it is there. So table means customer, group means customer group, all means without anything. Everywhere you will find, even for vendor posting profiles. That is the reason I'm just confused, like where are you referring? Because suppose you will take the example, I'm just telling you, okay, vendor posting, customer posting profiles. There are so many places you will find the same logic. Customer posting profiles. Not only here, everywhere. So if you click on new, there will be table, group, all. Table means customer, group means that specific group, all means without anything. If you select all, it will not allow you to select. If you select table, it will show you the customer. If you select group, it will show you customer group. Okay, everywhere it will be there. So now let me go back to the blocking rules, whatever you are referring. Here also the same. If you select table, it will be customer. If you select group, then it will come to group. Automatically it will change. If you select all, it will not allow you to select at all. Okay, I don't want. I want to close. Got it? Both of you, is it clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
in this screen, group means it will we can consider customer credit group.
No, customer group only.
Okay.
Okay, 1 second. Customer credit group or customer group? Customer credit group only. I'm sorry. Customer credit group. Because it is from customer manage, like a credit management group. Credit management group. 1 second. It is where it is available. Let me verify. It is customer credit group or customer management group. 1 minute. Use customer group. This is not customer groups. Earlier, whatever we are using, that is not the customer groups. This is customer groups. Okay. So that is not this one. Okay. Let me go to here. Okay. There is one more. Not only this one. So one is customer group. We understood regularly. For customer, it is linked with customer group. Now today you understood about customer credit group. One more it is there here. Customer credit management groups. So what is this actually? What is this actually? So here we understood blocking rules, 7 blocking rules. Along with this one, there are some more rank payment terms. If it is, suppose one day this ranking is not done properly, to be frankly, it is 1 month, I need to give suppose 3, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, here if I am getting in 10 days, then risk is very less. And if it is cash on delivery, risk is very low. Means immediately. Now if it is 1 week to 10 days, it is risk is 1. If it is a schedule, it is this rank you are giving 2. Okay, this is ranking for terms of payments. Next, discounts. For discounts also you can give ranking. In the same manner, one is ranks in terms of payment and discounts and credit management reasons. Hold you can create all these things. Okay, next, credit management groups. Just now we saw that is in the blocking rules. It is credit management blocking rule groups. Now account statuses. Here this is okay. Account status normal. Suppose look at this one country. There are so much information. If you click on new, we have there are so many reasons. One is take the example country. So we are giving, suppose my company is in India and Australia and USA. Then in Australia, India, USA, this risk is very less. If my business is not in suppose Switzerland, then even though I'm selling material to the customer in Switzerland, then it will be risky for me. So like that, you can add different conditions also. So if it is the amount pending from the customers 0 to 5 lakhs, the risk is less. If it is more than it is risk contribution is high. If it is like this, you can create your own. If it is 0 to 35 days, rank risk is 0. 35 to 70 days, we are giving more risk 7.5. If it is 72 like this one, then it is 15%. You can give your ratings whatever the way you want.
Okay, Satya, what is the relevance of giving this ranking, Satya?
So you can apply this one to customers. So where it is the process, I did not get 100% control, but you can give then. So the ultimate end process, I don't know about this point. I will let you know. I will verify. So you can update. You can do some analysis while giving credit limit. While giving credit limits, you can do some analysis. And if you want to block that, this one, to be frankly, extra information, whatever I'm telling now, I know a little bit, not in depth. but you can, this will be utilized for analyzing the data, your risky data information. Okay, but in depth I don't know. Recently it was introduced, like long back, 1 year back or something was introduced, but still I'm exploring on this point. But this blocking rules 100% I know. And not only this one, we have one more functionality, insurance. What is this insurance? Let me explain you. Suppose this customer this customer credit limit is this amount, and earlier only one credit limit, now it is 3 fields. What is this means? This is credit limit in other currency. Means suppose the customer is in GBP, the customer is in GBP. Suppose I will take example, I'll change it to euros, US dollars to some other currency. Give me a minute. Here I'm changing from US dollars to GBP. Now if you go to credit limit, and if you enter credit limit for this specific customer, suppose $200, automatically it will be converted into GBP. This is credit limit in GBP. This is credit limit in US dollars, and total is this one. Now for this customer I have a insurance, means risk, because this is a risk customer. For safer side, I did some credit limit against this customer, insurance and guarantee I can add here. I can use this for which, against which customer, which insurance company. The value is suppose 100. Now it will be added here, this, because against this customer I did insurance. Okay, so the credit limit, it is now updated. So one is the original credit limit for this specific customer, and this is in their currency. What is the credit limit? And we have added some more $100 against insurance. Like for this customer, against I have added $100. Now it is becoming like this. Okay, in this risk score we can calculate. So risk we can see, we can calculate. So how to do it and all those things, whether it is manual or any process, I don't know in depth, but I know only it was explanation also when I'm verifying. It is entry part, it was explained, but what is the end result, it was not explained in anywhere. Still I am exploring on this area. Okay, this is extra information we are getting from here. One is terms of payment, credit management, like one is discounts, terms of payment, and this is risk classification is a lot, low and medium and high. So you are entering the information here, scoring groups based on the conditions, different conditions inside here. Okay, at last, so the end result I don't have at this point because still I am exploring, but here we can see the information. Maybe some process if you execute for somewhere else, it will show you low or high or peak, low or medium or high, it will show you somewhere else, but I don't know that one, how it is, where it is. Okay, so actually the main intention is this one. If it is a normal regular business, if you are having this too many blocking rules, you cannot proceed with your business. Every transaction will sit into here. every transaction, whatever you are
Yeah.
posting a sales order, it will sit here because there are too many blocking rules. There are too many blocking rules. It is not a open. This example, I will give you one example. When I'm a child, so one of the person asked for 5 rupees. Of course, 5 rupees is also value at the time. Nowadays, value no more. So I'm telling you like 25 years back, 30 years back. Okay, then that person, what he did it, he has opened the like a normal open area. He has taken one key, and from that key he opened the door one more, and he has opened key, another key, second key, and that key he has taken and opened almara, iron almara, third key. Then inside there is a rack. Inside he opened that one, and he has collected 5 rupees and he has given. Is it really required those many 4 keys to do this one? This is person to person required. If it is suppose, yeah, if it is a gold or something, if you are keeping like these 4 different keys to give amount or something, it's a valuable item, then 4 keys is fine. If it is only for 5 rupees, it is not required this many. This is my opinion, my personal opinion, I'm telling you. In the same manner here, you are making too many locks to proceed further. If you are making 2 locks, then it will come here in the blocking rules. Yeah, now tell me, Somsundra, you are
Yeah.
talking something.
Yeah. Satya, when during the pre-sales phase, when this the features of this particular the application is being given to the displayed to the management or the for the particular client, how much of the content that, suppose if you look at this credit and collection, there are so many options that we have it in the system. To what extent these options will be explained to the prospective clients in the pre-sales phase?
That is, we can discuss later, not now. So it will be completely deviating because there are so many people in this learnings. It will be completely deviated and people will get confused about pre-sales. We'll discuss this one later, not now. If you want,
Okay.
definitely we'll discuss, but not now, because remaining people will get confused a lot about this one. There are so many people, entry level people are there in this one who are looking for a job. Okay, if you want, I will
Yeah.
discuss with you later. Okay, not now.
Yeah, sure.
Fine. Any more questions, team? If it is required in the last end of the sessions, at that time remind me. I will give you. So those session, whatever the session I'm teaching, like pre-sales activities, at that time, if they are like so many people, they are not able to understand. Also, no issues. But if I'm teaching now, remaining students, entry level students, whoever is learning, they will get confused and they will get disturbed a lot. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Got it.
Yeah.
So in the credit management group also we have to add customers. Satya.
No, that is 1 second. Credit management group. Here we are mapping. 1 minute. But whether it is blocking groups. That manage this one. It is not linked to any customers here. 1 minute. I think is this linked to customer credit groups? I think whenever you are clicking here, it is also not there. No. How it is linked this between these two, I'm not sure, because credit management group. Because these all are pieces information only, I know. Okay, but how it is the end result from this one, how it will be reflected to this area, I'm not sure, to be frank. So I do understand, because the group credit limit here, group, what is the benefit? Am I right? How it will be linked with customer? Not sure. I think maybe it is through risky group only it is adding, because we are creating risk groups.
Yeah. Satya, one more question. See, based on your experience in this credit and collection, the options, what are the usually the frequent or the regular ones that will be used?
So in this, only customer raising report is the only one they will use. The collections like now, whatever introduced this one, I don't see, because currently I'm supporting. Earlier I am implementation. I'm in implementations. Now I'm supporting. So I'm not getting very much tickets related to this area utilization. So the most important is this one, is reports. We have already discussed customer raising report. Okay, that's it. And then collection letters. These two are the interest also. I'm going to teach you these two. Tomorrow I'm going to teach you about interest and collection letters. This is majority. Actually, if you look at this one, there are one is this is customer raising report, collections, and collection letters. These are the two only I'm using, used a lot. And interest letters, it is very less. Yes, of course it is required. Some other, I will give you examples on credit interest. And this is a newly introduced. This utilization is very less, because if it is a monobolic business, this will be allowed. Means customers will wait for your like asks. Otherwise, it is very difficult. Okay, the regularly utilization is collections and collection letters. That's it. These two.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Fine. So I know, like, the new credit letter, the credit management, I have explained 80%, not 100%. Not 100%. I have explained 80%. The reason behind, still I'm exploring how it is reflected to this, whatever independently pieces of information, collectively how it will be impacted to this system. I too don't know. I'm exploring still. Okay, so the main advantage you need to remember, this adjustments is the, like, individually one by one, rather than entering one by one, we have option to generate bulk. One is customers, one is customer credit groups. These things. Okay, if you want manually, you can add like this one by one, customer group adjustment. Otherwise, your wish, you can process that. Understood? Any more quick questions on this credit management, advanced credit management? Let me show you this one more. Actually, let me complete this yesterday blacking rule. So it was black yesterday, am I right? It was black. Now how to proceed? It is black. Then I'm clicking on the sales order. Okay, so otherwise you can do from here, release. So the credit management, once they have satisfied with the justification given by customer or sales representative, whatever it may be, you will get information offline. Then based on the reasons, you can select and release whether you want without posting or with posting. So with posting, you are releasing, means you got approvals. Otherwise, without posting, anything you can use it. Now I'm using with posting. Now it is proceeding. So sales order is confirming. Sales order is confirming. Sales order got confirmed. Now if you go to the accounts receivable, sales orders, it was processed now. What is the sales order number? It is 1211. Now it is confirmed. If you want, you can see here sales order confirmation. So from the like credit management, it was released. Now I can do pick and pack, post package. Click OK. Now you can do invoice without any hurdles. It was, even though it is blacked for with so many blacking rules, if it even it is not fulfilled, if it is a credit management, he has given an approval, then we can proceed further. Okay, whenever you are trying for the environment in the trial version, majority times this feature is enabled. This feature is enabled. So I don't want, because if I want to teach this application, if I'm having this one, every transaction will be black. I don't want, I'm disabling now. Only to teach you, I have enabled. Now if you refresh, I have disabled. Now if I go to credit management, credit and collections, now it will not be there. And in the setup also, it is not there. It was gone, because that is a parameter setup. There is a parameter setup. Okay, tomorrow you are going to learn about collection letters. Whether I have discussed about collection letters? Customer raising report we have discussed. I know, I remember that one. Collection letters?
Sir.
Not
No, sir.
No.
So let me introduce about these collection letters. Any idea what is this collection letters? Anyone?
Before that, I have a basic doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Then the credit management group and the customers, they are not the example of masters and submaster, right, sir?
Come again.
Like customer groups and customer, it is an example of master and submaster. Similarly,
Yeah.
the credit management group and the customers in the credit management group, they are not the example of submasters and masters, sir.
Maybe they are also submasters only, am I right? Setups are submasters. You can, whatever the way you can call. That is also submaster only, am I right? Because otherwise we can use the word setup. So there is no, I mean to say, thumb rule like this is a setup, this is a submaster. This is our own definitions. Masters are customer, vendor, item, all these are masters. For customer group and vendor group, these are submasters we are talking. That we can, some other people they come back like customer group is not a submaster, it is a setup. We don't have any like restriction rules, kind of like we can use this word only.
It's a setup.
We don't have any dictionary.
We can
We
call
don't
it
have
as
any dictionary. Yeah.
we can call it as a setup in the submasters.
Yeah, that's what. So there is no specific dictionary for defining like submasters and setups or configurations. Okay, we don't have any definitions like strictly follow. People to one person, they will use different wording. That's it.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, fine. Now collection letters in SAP, I think it is called Dunning letters. Am I right?
Yeah. Dunning letter.
Dunning letters. So what is this collection letters mean? Simply it is reminder letters. To be frankly, if you layman,
Sorry to interrupt. Reminder to be sent to the vendor for the payment, is it? Sorry,
Not
customer.
vendor, customers. Yeah.
Customer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it is reminder letters to the customers like the amount is pending from you, so and so, please pay. That is called, in Dynamics we are calling it as collection letters. In SAP it is called dunning letters. In Oracle, what is the name? Do you have anyone has any idea? In Oracle apps, any other words? Is it a collection letter or dunning letter? I think some people are working in Oracle. Am I right in this batch?
Yeah, I worked on it, but it is long back, Satya. I worked it on only the GL and the allocations.
Okay, fine. So whatever it may be, the collection letters or reminder letters, we need to send these reminder letters to the customers periodically. Either maybe a monthly or bi-monthly or quarterly at least. Otherwise, if you are not sending these collection letters, then customer will neglect to repay money. Okay. So in depth we'll discuss tomorrow about these collection letters, and then we'll discuss
This
about interest.
collection letter, sorry to
Yeah.
interrupt. So this collection letter should ideally be connected with the customer aging report as well, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
Because when we are reminding so and so days also we need to mention, right? Because
Yes,
in
exactly.
SAP we have that option.
Yes, it is possible. Yes.
Oh.
It is linked with the aging report because the amount spending and so on so date. That it is collection.
I'm not able to remember the exact terminology which we use in SAP because it's quite a long time since I left. But in SAP, I remember we have this option.
Yeah, this is called in SAP. It is dunning letters. I know
Okay.
this.
Okay.
In Dynamics, we will call it as collection letters. That's it. But I don't know about Oracle apps, how it is performs. No problem. We'll continue on this one tomorrow in detail about this collection letters and interest notes. Okay, with this, the credit and collections module will be completed, and then we'll continue with the new topic. And as I told you to everyone, from next Monday onwards, it is 6 to 8. I need your cooperation. From 6th May, it will be, your session will be 6 to 8.
You mean 6th June?
Sorry, yeah, exactly right. I'm sorry. 6th June. 6th June.
Satya, what about the fixed assets and the intercompany, Satya?
Still, I need to explain you a lot. It is only around 40% it is completed, not more than that. There are so many things.
Okay.
But I need to teach you both finance and T&L together. There are common topics a lot. First, I need to teach that one common topics. After that, I will start with the company creation process. Okay. Okay, I'm stopping here. We'll connect once again on tomorrow. Same. Okay. See you all. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.